Hi, my name is JD, and I'm here at DeVry Colleges, New York, with Patrick and Ricardo. And these guys have created this automatic train controller, which I think is a pretty cool project. So tell us about this controller, Patrick. What is going on here?
The train can be moved from the keypad once you enter the password. Like, if you enter the wrong password, you'll alert the manager
Okay.
until you enter the right password.
So it's like you're at this control station, and you have a little device, and with that you can control the train and make it go fast and slow and so on and so forth.
Yes.
And it's password protected, and you can also control the speed, right?
Yes.
Could you make it go backwards, forwards,
Yeah.
both
Yes.
ways?
Yeah.
Okay. And there's also like an autopilot mode where it'll just go by itself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's just like the autopilot of a plane, it's just automatic. Instead of a driver sitting there, he has to stay awake in the middle of the night. You can just control it in a remote. Okay. So let's go into the hardware. So what is this blue thing over here?
It's a Dragon board.
It's a Dragon board, and so it's like that's the controller.
Yes.
That's the controller, and that's connected somehow using these wires to the train track, and it controls the track. And but to control it it's very intelligent, right? Like it understands if you do this, go behind, go forward. How do you give that intelligence to it?
We have this
Basically,
program called Code Warrior.
Oh, you have a program. Okay. So is that the program right there?
That's the program.
So you guys wrote this program?
Yes.
So you wrote this program, and this program, wow, it's a huge program. So this program, you can download this program into this board.
Yes.
Wow, in the flash memory of the board, and then you can run it from here. So you don't need the computer anymore.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
So let's see how this works. So could you show us a demonstration? It says log out right now. Okay.
so basically, you can't do anything until you put the password in.
Right.
It asks you to log in.
Okay.
Once you log in, you see the lights come on.
Okay, and it says
You know
password
that-
info.
Yeah.
And it's got this number here, 54. What is that?
That's basically the speed of the train,
Okay.
how fast the train is going.
So right now, if
And-
I press the button, will the train go?
Yeah, the train will move, but
Okay, but we have to
you
increase
have to increase the speed.
Okay,
Once the speed is increased,
right.
the train will be able
So
to
if I
move.
press this button, oh, it goes back. Wow. And if I press this, it goes forward. Pretty cool. So now I can reduce the speed with the screwdriver. So if the train is moving forward, and I turn this, oh, I see. You can increase and decrease the speed. Okay. And this will help it go back. And what are the other buttons? Are they used for anything?
Yeah, basically, like if you're at the control and your shift is over, you could press this button to log out. You ask you for your log out. Once you log out, it says log out
Oh.
confirmed.
And
Then
unless you have the password, you can't log back in.
You
So
can't log back
only
in.
authorized personnel
Yeah.
can log in. Okay, that's
so
that's
and it's ready for the next shift. Once the next
Right.
person's ready to work, you can log in. Log back in. And it says password accepted.
oh, that's cool.
And then it's also motion sensitive.
Okay.
So once the motion is on, it will the
Generally
train
keep
will
the
not
alarm.
actually
Move.
move.
Okay. Well, that feature is not totally working probably right now. Okay. And then this button,
Actually sends the
what is
train
it?
on
It sends the train
autopilot.
in autopilot mode, so you don't have to monitor it.
Yeah.
Wow, so that's a pretty cool part. How long did it take for you guys to build this?
Wow, it took us about 7 weeks.
So 7 weeks. But that's not bad because once it's built, this can be implemented anywhere, right?
Yeah.
It could be implemented in the MTA. It could be implemented. You could control cars. You could control household devices. So it's just a general controller. And what do you have planned for the future? Like right now, it's being controlled, using wires and stuff. Can you control it remotely, maybe from a cell phone?
Detail of the cell phone.
Okay. So you could actually use a cell phone and control this using a certain circuit. Okay. So I think that's yeah.
We're actually gonna put a next feature on it. Pressure sensor, so when it reach home, it can actually stop.
Oh, okay. So like a force sensor on the track.
Yeah.
And then to sensor something to stop. Yeah. I mean, I think there's a lot of things like that that can be added to it, right? And you guys plan to do that. So how can we make this stop? If I log out, will it
Once
stop?
you log out, it will stop.
Oh wow, that's really good. All right. So once again, we're at DeVry College of New York with Patrick and Ricardo, and they made this automatic train controller in just 7 weeks. I think it's a great project, and it's got great potential to add a lot of stuff to it. So thanks once again for listening. Bye.